I will go a bit philosophical. What is required for human being on earth? If you see, there are three things required for human being to be on earth. Simply, they are nothing but health, safety, security, and environment. So today, all these developments we have seen, if I draw a line, these developments are not sustainable. As per the fourth report by IPCC, we see that the anthropogenic activities is making earth more fragile. Some of the philosophers, even very foolishly, they say earth is not fit for living. It is wrong. It is we have to correct ourselves. So now this urban infra is required because our civilization has increased, our earning, this thing is increased. Day is having only 24 hours. So now our activities have gone in such a way that these 24 hours are not sufficient. We want all the facilities at one place. We want so many unexpected things. When I was a young boy, I never expected that the milk will be given through sachets at home. Today, the technology is so high that we have stored the milk for coming 1 month. So, like that, lot of developments have taken place. But at what cost? If you see, we are loading earth more than what it can give us. So sustainability is nothing but derive benefits from the surroundings, not affecting the future generation. With this small introduction, I look at this infra is a human being. Surprisingly, if I want to have a very good mall to be built in my BHL area, if you see right from the making foundation and all, we require certain good material we have to get. Transportation is involved. So every activity, if you check, there is some impact on environment, there is some impact about quality. So ultimately now whole world has been given an input that every activity on earth is looked into four facets. Is it qualitative? Is it eco-friendly? Is it safe and secure? Now there is one more dimension we are adding to it is it efficient? Now constructing a big mall building will not end with that. We need ambience, we need HVAC there, we need material to be transported. We need so many infrastructure daily that big mall will be breathing. It will be polluting. Otherwise, there is no use. So now all this, if you take, these things have to be taken. But I congratulate Jasubhai Media to conduct a seminar at Bombay, 19th to 22nd. Now, when they contacted me that SEAM is supporting, incidentally, I am the member of SEAM, then I have taken this one, and all this 1 week I have stopped other works and I have come forward to expose myself to this infra and and I thank all the organizers of Desubhai to invite and make me to share my ideas with you. Coming to SEAM, I am a fellow for SEAM member, and SEAM is nothing but Society of Energy Engineers and Managers. But if you see the emblem, there they said spot, explore, evaluate, and materialize. If you see these four words, again it reminds us the PDCA, plan, do, check, and act formula. So now I want to give three important things for this. I want to first tell all the energy auditors who are present here, what is the role here. Now I request them to focus on this infra, and now your concentration should be how an energy efficient systems can be given and supporting for this.